I'm by no means encouraging you to be a hoarder. But when you have pieces like this and an opportunity presents itself, let's go ahead and use it instead of chunking it. I'll show you what I mean. So we had this little scrap piece cut off. I'm going to go ahead and clean this up. I don't want this to get in any water supply. Remember to always cut towards yourself with your thumb as leverage. Don't ever cut away. That's when accidents happen with knives. Sharp is safe, dull is dangerous. And every time you start a video, a car drives by. All right. Now, every once in a while, you may have to go purchase another part. $2 at Ace. Thank you, Kingsland Ace. Just gonna pop that in. Doesn't have to be watertight necessarily. I'll go show you where we're gonna put it. All right, so right here at our rain barrel, notice it's full. I love spring. Summer's coming. We're gonna use up all this water. But I've got my downspout here with a first flush diverter. There's a great video, how-tos online. But you'll notice I got this stub coming straight out here, and it's gonna be coming from a gutter that way. I'll be running this over here. Everything will run to this tank. But I noticed the other day during the rain, we had a little bit of leak coming out of this thing. Maybe when it gets heavy, it splashes out and I'll lose some. That's where our little piece comes in. We just stick that on there. Again, doesn't have to be watertight. I'm just trying to keep the water going down into the diverter and then out into the barrel. So there you go. Reclaim, reuse, return, all that good stuff we've been talking about up here. All right, guys, make sure you check out our video on YouTube about reusing plastic bags and just trying to keep things out of the landfill. And then over there we constructed a little loading dock with a lot of clay we dug out. So check that out, jandrtexas.com on YouTube. Always check out the website, jandrtexas.com, Facebook, Instagram, all that good stuff. Whenever you're supposed to be working, but cruising social media, right? All right, thanks for hanging out with us, guys, and we'll see you outside.